Alright folks, we're here with, going to introduce you to Sugar 2, 1980 AMF Sunfish. We've pulled her out of the Sunfish shack in the back. She's up next. This boat came out of Alabama. We got a LFYC, somebody's yacht club on here. If anybody knows who that is, let us know. But she's actually in pretty good shape. Needs a combing, needs the deck trim. Someone's taken all the aluminum trim. There's a few patches to be cleaned up, but the bottom's in great shape. I don't even know if I'll have to do anything to that except maybe buff it out, decide whether she's going to get a coat of paint or not. A little trim left on the aft end here. Nice looking gudgeon. Got a couple of eye straps that they left behind. They didn't scavenge those when they went off, but we know she's AMF from the whole identification number, last two digits 80 with the B, which denotes the month she's built in. Got these nice stripes here. Maybe this will stay. We might be able to get some oxalic acid or some Skipper's favorite, some Tilex, and get some of this crud off of here. Get her back together. Little geckos like it. I disturbed their little sleeping spot, took the cover off, put that back on again. They stay nice and warm. But we're going to get in here and work on her. Might come together pretty quick. The big issue they had was up on the bow here there. Someone had an argument with the dock, and the dock won. But we've come in, we split the bow open so we can get in behind here and replace this, get a backer patch, get that going while we're in here. Put a new backer block for the bow handle, which was just, you know, it's probably worked for somebody, maybe at a yacht club kids sailing program. Might have been nice, but get rid of that. Put back what's supposed to be here. Get her looking ship shape and ready to go out again. So we'll get that patched up. Put in some little strip of fiberglass with thickened epoxy and clamp it all up. We've already got the trim and all the other parts. We're looking for a sail, but maybe if we can save this paint, and I think we can, we'll maybe just get her buffed out and looking nice. This little area here, got a buddy does gel coat repair. Might take it to him, or might just end up with a nice teal sunfish right there. We'll see. We'll try to keep the cost down on this one and not go into thousands like one of the recent boats that shall remain nameless Viper, but rhymes with Viper. So here she is, Sugar 2, 1980 AMF Sunfish. She'll be what we call our moaning chair boat when we're scratching our head looking at the 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory and trying to figure out what to do next. We'll come out here and do a little bit of wet sanding, compounding, get rid of these old numbers, get some adhesive remover, and get her all taken care of. Got her on our special purpose built Sunfish dolly with the articulating bunks. They conform to the hull shape. Little bungee holds them there. So we have it right side up, and when you flip it right side down, the bunks will adjust and keep it nice and firm. Some of the things we'll do in the process of restoring it. Major leak areas on these boats are the inside the mast tube here. See that little bit of epoxy that's chipped away, revealing the fiberglass cloth beneath it. We'll get that patched up, make sure that's not leaking. Another leak spot where the bailer goes through the hole. You have the cockpit here, and then below it's the other 1/8 inch or so piece of the bottom hull, and that's bonded together with the polyester resin there. So we make sure that bond's still good. Usually we just take some thickened epoxy and put it in there just to make sure. Another common leak area is in the daggerboard trunk. Some of that polyester, it actually is polyester resin, gets chipped away. Take a look at that. Clean it up some, and then back here the geckos guarding. That thing jumps on me, I'll probably scream and run. Back here on the gudgeon. So I'm going to get her all cleaned up. 55, almost 60 degrees here today. Great wind for sailing. Viper went out for 4 hours, it sounds like. And she'll hope to get Sugar too on the water here in the next few weeks. Hope y'all having a great day.